We built it, we tested it. Now it's time to put our app in the hands of real users. Welcome to episode 3 from MVP to App Store. We finished the MVP. After days of planning, coding, and testing, we finally stitched everything together. The app's UI came out exactly how we imagined, clean, minimal, and focused. We connected our UI to the backend, ensuring every API call runs smoothly. And since early feedback is everything, we integrated support tools so user can reach us directly, whether it's a bug, a feature idea, or just some encouragement. Onboarding isn't just a step, it's first impression. We refined every screen and crafted product images that clearly shows how the app adds value from day one. TestFlight found the flaws, Cursor AI fixed them in hours. And finally, submission day. The moment where all that hard work, all those late nights came down to one click. We hit submit and waited hoping Apple would say yes. Apple had few concerns, we fixed them quickly. 24 hours later, the app was approved. That late night idea, it's now live for the world to try. Our app is ready, download it, try it, and share your feedback. Because what we build next starts with you.